when I met LaDonna and I found that she was so talented, I said to myself, I said, I must find ways to help her, because that's what the Gullah Geechee Angel Network does. We try to help those young adults get involved and immerse them in their culture, especially have them meet Queen Quet. So when I was telling Queen Quet about her, Queen Quet said, do you think they would like to go to the Seminole reunion this year? And I said, yes, I know she would. And I said, you know, she has a boyfriend. And she said, what does he do? I said, he sing, he dance, he act. She said, well, do you think he mind coming? I said, oh, wow, I was excited because I knew then that this was really going to be a real family reunion here. Yeah. So I called LaDonna and I said, LaDonna, I said, we would like for you, Queen Quet would like for you to come and make a presentation of your puppetry when we are on this festival, when we're doing this festival. And she said, Miss Carlie, I'll be honored. I said, and guess what? I would like for you to also bring your boyfriend. And she said, oh, Miss Carlie, thank you so much. So without any further ado, I would like to introduce to you the very talented LaDonna Gibson and the Lighthouse.
It's good to see all y'all faces here. It's wonderful. I'm so glad I'm here. And Fort Lauderdale, I'm so glad to be here with Carlie and Queen Quet and everybody. And, you know, it's an honor to be here. I was so glad when she invited me, because this is something I enjoy performing. I enjoy the music, I enjoy the arts. And most importantly, what I enjoy about it is when it comes from us and our people and our culture, and it reflects us. And this is the Lighthouse Theater. It's something I put together about it was 2 years ago. It didn't look like that. I just did this one new for traveling purposes. But all of my kids couldn't be here because they're in school. But there's a picture of them if y'all want to come and look at them. But without further ado, I'd like to present the Lighthouse Theater kids. Welcome everybody. Welcome. Welcome. And we are so excited to be here. Aren't you, Keila? Yeah, I'm a little excited. Could y'all be a little more family-oriented for Keila here? Thank you. Welcome. I'm Naomi, and this is my little brother, Keila. Read it. And how wonderful you.
We'll do well.
That's good. Okay. So we're the Lighthouse Theater kids from Johns Island, South Carolina.
Hey, John!
And this young here be our lighthouse. Now before y'all ask where the light at, because I know y'all gonna be looking up and see no light, that's all right. Because we be the light. Is that right, Keila? That's right. Keila, let your light shine for you.
We show.
Y'all see the light?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Well, we bring you greetings, everybody, and welcome to the Gullah Geechee International Music and Movement Festival.
Yay!
This year, Rachel, be a great reunion we have every year in celebration and remembrance of where we're going as people. This year we gather together with Gullah Geechee Seminole Maroon. And today, I had to crack my teeth out here on history. Okay? Okay. Anything you want to say here? I'm going to just stand right here and listen. Okay. The black Seminoles are Gullahs who escaped slavery. Oh, hold on. What's slavery? Slavery was not an aspect of the Gullah Geechee people for many years. Did you know that? Oh, okay. So basically that's what it is? Yeah. Okay. Well, anyway, yeah, exactly. So the black Seminoles are a small offshoot of the Gullah people who escaped from being enslaved to the rice plantations in South Carolina and Georgia. South Carolina, that's where we from. I just said that. But we ain't got no rice plantation over there. We ain't got no rice plantation over there anymore. I know, Keila, Johns Island is known for our tomato farms, remember? So why are you telling all these people the wrong thing? I'm not telling them anything wrong, Keila. Why can't I just finish to preserve their freedom. Now, when you say preserve, what exactly do you mean? Because preserve can mean all kind of things. No, they can't. No? Okay, good. The black Seminoles were scattered across North America. They have played significant roles in America, but they have never really got the recognition for it. So that's why we're here, right? Yeah, exactly. Oh, so y'all better recognize them. And they already have Caleb. That's why they here too. So anyway, when the war started, the blacks and Indians fought side by side to stop the American people. They were defeated, also as textbook readers. But between you and me, the Seminoles fought so hard against the American soldiers that General Jackson referred to the First Seminole War as the Indian and Negro War. Well, in 1835, the Second War broke out, and it lasted about 6 years. And then 1,500 American soldiers were killed. The Gullah Geechee Seminoles weren't going to go back, and they wasn't going to back down. They were fierce warriors. And they had to because their freedom depended on it. They were more advanced at living and fighting in the jungle than all of their Indian comrades. So then General Jessup let the War Department know that this was definitely about the Gullah Geechee Seminoles. Look at the way they fought. They were determined and everything. In America, it was not an easy war. It wasn't an easy war at all. Pass the ammunition and let the whole world go free. That's right, Kelly. You need to tell them. You need to tell them, calm down. Calm down. I'm doing this. Okay. But anyway, America gave them a run for their money. They beat them so bad that for the longest time, America was a little ashamed to recognize that this was one of the most important wars in American history. The Seminoles were such great fighters and determined not to be involved again. So when the war did end, instead of putting the Seminoles back on the plantation, they had to force them west into Indian territory, which is now known as Oklahoma. And that's just some of what I know. Wow, Caleb. I'm impressed. Y'all impressed with Caleb? Yeah. Thank you so very much. Caleb, you did good. You really did. Yeah, well, my brain is now. So can you take it from here? I hope you can, because make us proud now. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Caleb, for doing that. And even though I didn't know some of those facts, I'm glad that I got a little brother who knows. The black Seminoles have communities across North America, the Bahamas, and in Mexico, there's a school book. There are also the Scouts as well as Brackenville, Texas. Also the Maroons from Jamaica and the Bahamas. The Seminole Freedmen is the largest group that lives in Seminole County, Oklahoma. Over the years, these groups have lost contact with one another. But that's what family reunions are for, to bring everyone back together. And like family reunions, there's always one person who plans it, makes contact with everybody, goes out of their way to make sure that everybody comes together in one place at one time so that we can reunite. And in this family reunion, we got Queen Quet. Yeah. Yes. Chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation. And this is our big family reunion. And we are here to stay. Hit it, Caleb. We are family. I got all my brothers with me. We are family. I got all my sisters and me. Sing it, everybody. We are family. I got all my brothers and me. Ooh, I got a verse. We are family. Never be a Gullah Geechee. We are family. Come on, everybody. I got all my sisters and me. Come on, fellas. We are family. I got all my brothers and me. Thank you so very much. Thank you.